But before we get into the video, I would like to tell you guys about a $25 Android gift card giveaway and a $25 iTunes gift card giveaway. All you have to do to enter this giveaway is to make sure you are subscribed to our channel. Winners would be announced as soon as we hit 1000 subscribers. I know it's a bit far, but I'm sure that we will hit this target soon as I'm working hard and your love and support is awesome. Today we have a great trick for you. This will help you to whiten your teeth in just 3 minutes. All you need is a dish, 1 lemon, you can use citric acid too as they are same thing, and baking soda, sodium bicarbonate. Firstly cut the lemon and keep it aside. Then put some baking soda in dish, then add lemon juice until you end up with a paste. Then use that to clean your teeth. Do it 2 times per week for 3 weeks only. Note for people who think this is acidic and eats away your enamel, you first of all have 3 layers of enamel. Secondly, if you did science you would have done an experiment in which you neutralize a base, sodium hydroxide, with an acid, hydrochloric acid, and when the two mix they neutralize to be neither acidic or basic but neutral. This is the same principle, and that's why there is far more baking soda to make sure the pH is more basic than acidic. Did you enjoy this episode? Make sure to leave a like, share and subscribe.